moment multiple rocket launcher vehicles from Russia appear to be launching rockets at Ukrainian targets. One of these vehicles, with a white Z on its side, is seen being deployed before it appears to acquire a target in the footage. It then fires, ostensibly hitting its intended target. The exact location of the footage is currently unknown, but the images were obtained from the Russian Ministry of Defense, MOD, on the evening of Sunday, June 12th. The images, according to the Russian Ministry of Defense, show a Smerch MLRS in action. The heavy multiple rocket launcher BM-30 Smerch was developed in the Soviet Union.